There you go. Berm, log. All right, this looks like we're heading towards it. Let's see. There we go. Yeah. There's another turn over there. The dogs are happy I'm here. There we go. What we got?
What's up, you guys? Forrest here with the FoCo Flow Show, and we are in Eastern Virginia, New Kent County, right outside Williamsburg, Virginia, at Wahrani Nature Trail. So I've heard about this trail. A couple of folks have said that they've been building some cool stuff out here. We're in Eastern Virginia, so there's no mountains to speak of, but I'm hopeful to find some punchy climbs and maybe a little tech and flow along the way. 3 minutes off of Interstate 64, so easy to add to a trip to the eastern side of the state. So let's get out there and find that flow. So Wahrani is more than just a mountain bike trail. It's a beautiful nature trail with swings and playgrounds and toilets, places for the family to come, walk your dog, enjoy some nature, some beautiful time. And then the trailhead starts right in front of you, bears to the right. So you can see it's right off the interstate, right off of I-64, 3 miles down, and you're into the parking lot. Great place to get started. This map on Trail Forks shows 2 of the 4 loops. It's all intertwined and easy to ride. Great place for a quick ride, especially if you're in the region. So let's get into the ride footage, see what's in store.
All right. Wahrani Nature Trail. Handful of loops you can ride in either direction is my understanding. So we're gonna flow through here. Roots and rocks, probably mostly roots. I doubt there's that many rocks through here. They say the easy way is to stay right, counterclockwise, and then the farthest loop, I think you go, again, either direction, but you get to a place, right around, or up and over along, maybe clockwise on the loop that's out there. Seeing Aaron Huther Bones, saw me ride with, posting a few things on this place in recent months. So it could be interesting. Punchy climbs. So little switchbacks like this. Well, yeah, right up the side hill. Again, I am expecting no real elevation to speak of, but maybe up and down the side hill.
So right out of the gate, you'll see what to expect. Lots of roots, no rocks per se, and then it's in and out of the ravine, so you get some short, punchy climbs, getting up over those rocks and roots, but the reward, as I am about to find out, is really, really high for a little bit of effort.
Switchback climb. Sandy bottom spur. Okay. Could be some flow here. Let's see what we got. Woo! Oh, yeah. Woo! Yeah. Well, that was legit and unexpected. How about that? Sandy bottom. So as I was saying, York River, Quarter Path Park, Freedom, all in Williamsburg. You got Lake Maury, Hayward Harwood Forest and Newport News, and even Ipswich, Indian River at the beach. All right, see what else we got. Just after daylight savings time here, sun coming up around 7:30, mid-March. Cool, but not freezing. I'll take it. Woo-hoo. Yeah, I'll take it. Well, down and then around. Woo. Up in a B. Okay. B it is. Oh.
Pretty obvious signage and transitions from Trail A to Trail B. You see here, working your way back up through some more punchy climbs, and then just some cool features. Some of the best features I found were in Trail B, as well as Trail D, that we'll see here in a little bit, so make sure you stay tuned.
Oh, cool. All right, and then, all right, yeah. Cool. I like that. See what we're over there. Woohoo. Through here, and we got pumping steep up. Steep up. Across here. Whoa, okay, we're good. Good. Steep. Woo. 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 Yeah. I love that.
And so at this point, I realized this was not your average Eastern trail system with the features like that. Legit 4 or 5 foot drops, transitions, skinnies, and more to come. Definitely just mind blown by all the work they've done here. Beautiful trail, flowy in between, a little punchy pillar climbing like I've been saying. So lots of fun here, finishing out Loop B. And then we're cruising around, getting ready for Loop C and Loop D, where you're going to get some of the best of the best.
Up. Yeah, definitely pedally in spots, but flowy. My understanding is, oh, okay. We sort of want to ride this part clockwise, the opposite of the other loop. Although, ooh, neat. D straight, sweet. All right, love a cool little wood bridge. Yeah, cruising.
And so, really quick transition to Trail D. Loop C sort of connects the two on either side, and you'll come back on the other side of C. Quick climb up here to get to some of the best stuff in the entire trail system at the top of Trail D, coming out and around. So look over your shoulder as you climb up, and then get ready for some fun on the way down.
Look, listen, yell. Ah! Oh, baby. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, that's legit. I love it.
So they call that one the tree frog drop. As I climb back up, make sure you look at that one. Probably a 4 to 5 foot gap drop. It's rollable, but it's steep, and if you send it, it's a legit drop. Give it a look before you send it. Don't send it blind, and let's climb back up here and give it one more run for fun. Yeah. After the tree frog drop, you pedal up and around and you get a chance to check out some cool sort of ancient 1600, 1700 grave sites of an old church in an area where we get the Wahrani name from. So pay your respects and then keep on moving around towards the backside of Loop D where the fun and flow and jumps continue.
Oh. Woohoo! I love that. Gosh, easy peasy. Everything is this way. All right, I know there's a double jump around here. Let's find it. And let's pop it. There you go. Berm, log. All right, this looks like we're heading toward it. Let's see. There we go. Yeah. There's another turn over there. Dogs are happy I'm here. There we go. What we got? All right. There we go. Fun. All right. See if we can flow a little better. You don't need all the speed they give you on this. These doubles could actually have been afforded to be a little bigger. About the foot. Yep. Hold that berm there. Berm there. Down. Alright. Berm up. Good. Berm down. We got a couple of doubles coming here. Up. I like it. There we go. And you gotta really. Yep. Yep. That's good. Hump. Jump. All right. All right. Fun. All right. Whew. In the interest of time, we're gonna stay right, heading back to the parking lot. Got about 5 miles in. Without doubling back on much anything except for sessioning a couple of cool features. You could easily get 5 miles both ways, get a 10-mile ride out here. Sick. All right. Well, there you have it. An easy 5 miles with some legit blue-black features. Kudos to the trail builders. Really, really awesome trail. Just 3 miles off of Interstate 64 near Williamsburg, Virginia. Definitely not the longest ride you'll ever get. I got 5 miles one direction. You could double it, go the other direction on most of that. That Loop D does sort of run clockwise the best with the double jumps and everything, but man, who would expect those kinds of features on an otherwise pretty family-friendly walking trail with playgrounds and swing sets? Awesome, awesome trail. Highly recommend it if you're anywhere east of Richmond. Obviously, the farther west you go, the more gnar, the more tech, the more mountain climbs you're gonna get. But if you're in the area, you're on vacation, bring the bike, bring the mountain bike. There's so much good to ride in this area. Cannot get over how awesome this was. And it's only 9 o'clock in the morning and heading on to work. So awesome day. Let me know if there's other routes, other things that you ride in this area. Comment below, make sure you like and subscribe. It helps support the channel. And let's all get out there together and find that flow.